Good evening, friends. Here I am going to show you the fundamental analysis of one of the top brand company in India, Dollar Industry Limited. Dollar Industry engaged the manufacturing sales of hosiery product in the knitted innerwear, casual wears, and thermal wears. This is a very good company and top brand company. Let me show you some website information of this company. So you can see that this company actually having a lot of good brand, like example Dollar. Okay, so these all are Dollar brand. You can say this is the manufacturing and production side of this company. There are some good mission of the company as basically premium product, having premium product, and the style introduce the Dollar, always styled, tuned, and latest trend. So a lot of the good brand and good reputed person are doing this particular promotion of this company. Okay, so for example Akshay Kumar and these are the top promoter of this brand. Okay, let's talk about more information of this company. Market cap is 2862 crore, current price is 505, high price 666 and low price 395. Stock P 19, which is very good sign. Stock is still P is still low if you compare with like Page Industries, but it is very low P. Book value just 119 and dividend yield 0.59, which is also very good sign. Company is not paying too much dividend. Return on capital employed is awesome, 26%. Return on equity, return 23%. Face value 2. PEG ratio 0.69. PEG ratio 0.69 indicating that very good chance of upward movement in the coming days. Equity capital is 11.3, which is very good sign. Company equity capital is very maintained by the company. Current ratio is 2.2, and you can say price to book value just 4 times of their particular book value. Growth factor 5, which is also very good sign. Usually growth factor more than 3 is considered as a good growth factor. Piotrowski 6, and market coded investment is still nothing. Company don't invest too much and focus on the production activity. Return on asset is equal to 10%, which is also very good sign. Debt to profit is 1.41, which is also good. Means company is having some borrowing but paying very fast. That is the sign of this low debt to profit. Ultimate score 7 is very good sign. The company, whenever you see ultimate score is more than 3, is good sign. Difference is IV negative, showing that the company's intrinsic values the current price is more than intrinsic value. Number of shares just 5.67, and latest quarter EPS is 4.91, but EPS overall year is 26.6. 10 years sales variation is 11% positive, and 10 years profit variance 32% positive. This is the max chart of this company, and there was a very good, very big downfall in this particular price since 2000 March 2020. But after that, along with the market, the company share is also moving in upward direction. What are the pros of this company? Company expected to give good quarter. Company has delivered good profit growth of 27.4%. Company delivered actually poor sales. This is the cons of 8.79 last 5 years, or capitalizing the particular interest cost. Companies having the same kind of business like what we are having, like you can say Fashion, Raymond, Trident. Okay, what are the sales? So if you see that the company's sales in 2019 was 234 crore, now it is increased to 361 crore. There is a good exponential growth in this particular sales. Operating margin company maintaining very consistently 12 to 10%, 14%. Now it is increased to 16%, which is good sign. Other income is also improved by the company. Earlier it was 0, 1, but now it's 3 and 4. Interest. The company interest is now very genuine. There's not too much interest, just 5 to 3 crore interest against 37 crore profit, which is also good, considerable as a good borrowing. Net profit is also maintained by the company, 13 crore. Now it's doing 28 crore in last few years. If you talk about the sales, in 2011 the sales was 380 crore, but now it increased to 1500 crore. What an exponential basically improvement in overall sales by this company. Operating margin is still 6%, now improved to 14%, which is positive sign. And interest is also growing from 8 crore to now 11 reduced. Sorry, interest reduced from 19 crore to 11 crore in last few years. Net profit increased from 8 crore to 151 crore. Exponential growth in the overall net profit. Compounded sales growth 9%, 5 years compounded profit growth 27% is 5 years, and CAGR in the last 5 years 3%. Return on equity last 5 years 20%. One of the sign you will observe that company was having the equity capital is 7.7 in the March 2016, and March 2017 the increase by some equity capital, and 2018 also increased by in equity capital. But after 2018, company management never changed their equity capital, which is a good sign, and company is saying the equity capital changing is considered as not a good sign for any kind of investor. But in this case you see that the particular equity capital is not changing after 2018. Reserve is increasing exponentially, 63 crore now 664 crore reserve, also very good sign here. Okay, borrowing, you can see borrowing is also increasing. Okay, to 119 borrowing now increased to 2006 crore, which is also very marginal with respect to reserve. And if you talk about investment, the company is having very low investment, just 10 crore investment. And if you talk about the assets, you will be surprised that the company inventory is 475 crore inventory. Wow. And trade receivable 402. Cash equivalent, this is a problem. Company is having as a basic cash crunch issue. And loan and advance 68, other assets 17. And if you talk about the overall cash on operating activity, company's cash problem is still there. Debtor days is also improved, 116 to 119. Inventory days is also flat. Days payable flat. Cash conversion flat. Working capital also flat. Overall return on equity, return on capital improved from 90 to 27%. Excellent sign. And one of the positive sign, you will see that the particular promoter of this company increased their particular position here. Earlier the promoter in 2019 was 16%, 60%, now improved to 72.91%, which is excellent improvement by the promoter. Promoter showing a very great faith in this overall fundamental of this company. DII also basically having some holding there, but public is increasing their particular position from 22% to now 25%. Actually excellent sign by the retail participation is increasing. They are thinking that company is having very good solid fundamental. Okay, for more fundamental, always check your fundamental advisor, financial advisor, before buying any stock. Thank you for taking your time watching this video. Subscribe my channel for getting more fundamental analysis. Thank you. Have a nice